Hey guys, so don't mind me, I'm still in my pajamas, I'm not dressed yet, I just got up. But I wanted to do a quick video and show you guys all how I remove my eye makeup. As you can see, I've already removed my eye makeup from one side. Now, I'm using this little container here. It says eye makeup remover on it. It says eye makeup remover on it, but that's not actually what it is. What it actually is baby oil. It's just been put in this container. And that's what I've always used to get my makeup off. I don't just use it for my eye makeup, I use it for my entire face if I wear foundation. But I haven't been wearing that lately. I've just been wearing eye makeup and some highlighter on my cheeks, just to bring out my cheekbone. Anyway, so I pour a little bit on a cotton pad, and then I just rub it on my eye. Try not to rub too hard, but sometimes I do. And then for the bottom, underneath my eyelashes, because that's where I've been putting my eyeliner lately, for there, I just like to use a Q-tip. So all I need is a cotton pad, some baby oil, and a Q-tip. And I'm going to grab a Q-tip, so I'm going to pause this for a second. Now, what the Q-tip is for is just getting all of the leftover eyeliner or mascara off at the bottom. And as you can see, it's coming off. And it also helps get it out of the corners of your eyes. I put makeup in the corner of my eyes to give that ultimate cat eye look. So I'm just going to use both sides on that one. And as you can see, it gets most, if not all of it off. And there's a little bit over here. So I'm just going to rub that off. There we go. As you can see, there's black on both sides. And that is how I remove my makeup. And then usually I will wash my face after and put on my liquid exfoliant. I love using baby oil because it's just so easy on the skin because it's meant for a baby, right? Don't mind the noise in the background. The fan in our bathroom is so noisy, it's not even fun. It annoys the living daylights out of me. But we live where we live, and we got to deal with it. So if you want the light on in the bathroom, you got to deal with the noise. So I apologize for the really loud fan in the background.